Hey everyone, Dr. Zach Greenwade here at Performance Sport and Spine, and today we're going to go over some advanced exercises for glute tendinopathy, which often presents as pain or tightness over the lateral hip. Now these exercises are inherently challenging, and so you may want to start with more easy ones if you haven't been pretty conditioned before. So the first one we're going to do is a squat. You're going to grab a weight, and if again this is too challenging, you can use just your body weight, and we're going to alter our stance so one foot's a little bit before the other, and you're going to squat down slowly for 3 seconds, pause, and stand up slowly for 3 seconds. We're going to do 6 squats in this position. Try to make sure you load the hips and legs uniformly. You may need to either decrease your range of motion at first or again use a lighter weight or no weight, but the slow tempo is super important. So if you can't go slow, you got to do less weight. So we'll do 6. So one more. And then next we're going to do the alternate. So your left foot's going to be forward and your right foot will be back. And we'll do 6 in this position. Again, that slow tempo, 3 seconds down, 3 seconds up. It's going to be hard. At any point you need to take a break, you can pause the video and rest. But again, that slow tempo is a must. Okay, great job. Next, we're going to do a single leg glute bridge. So you're going to lay on your back, bring your foot close to your buttock, bring one leg up, and drive up for 3 seconds with that hip, pause, and come down. Again, we want to feel that deep, gentle tension in that posterior buttock. And since we're working on the glute, we want to feel it in the glute and not the back or the hamstring. Again, if this is too challenging, you can regress it initially with 2 legs. But again, that slow tempo is important. All right, we'll do 6. And then switch, other leg. Again, bring it close to your buttocks and drive with the hip. And down. Again, this is meant to be challenging. And make sure to do it slow and rest if you need. Great, one more. Okay, from there we're going to do a Bulgarian split squat. So you're going to need a bench or a chair. And then I'm going to use a light weight. You don't have to, but for this one, you want the weight in the opposite leg. That's your stance leg so that you feel it in that lateral hip. Keeping the leg more under you, so you use more your glute than in front, which is more quad. Again, we'll do 6. Slow. Rest if you need. And then we'll switch to the other side. Again, make sure it's in the opposite hand. Slow tempo. And make sure you feel that in the lateral glute. Okay, great job. Last, we're just going to do a single leg deadlift. So you're going to want to, again, have the weight in the leg or the hand that's opposite of the leg. That's the stance, and you're going to push your leg back, pivot the hip, and come up. Nice and slow and controlled. Again, if it's too challenging, you can use just your body weight. Great job. Again, rest if you need, but the slow tempo is a must. Okay, last thing. So right hip this time, weights in your left arm, drive your left leg back, come up with your right hip. All right, that's it. We hope you found this video helpful.